If you want to change your X.com, formerly Twitter, account handle, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you the exact steps to update your username safely and correctly so you can claim a new handle that better matches your brand, your name, or your content. This is a simple process, but there are a few important things to know before you save the change, especially if your preferred handle is already taken. If this video helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your X account and look at the main navigation menu on the left side of the screen. Click on More to open the full menu options. Once that expands, select Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps your account controls, privacy settings, and identity information. After that, click on Your Account. Inside that section, choose Account Information. At this point, X will ask you to verify that it's really you, so enter your account password when prompted. This step is important because changing your handle affects your public profile and account identity. Once you're verified, you'll see the option for username. Click username to open the field where you can make the change. Now type your new handle in the new field. Keep in mind that your handle must be unique, so if the one you want is already taken, X will prompt you to choose another one. If that happens, try a few variations, like adding a keyword, a number, or a short brand term that still looks clean and professional. When you've found an available handle, double-check it carefully before continuing. Your username is how people tag you, mention you, and find you on the platform, so it's worth making sure it's spelled exactly the way you want. Once everything looks good, click Save to confirm the change. And that's it. Your X.com or Twitter handle has now been updated. The change should reflect on your profile right away, and your new username will be used going forward for mentions and links. If you already shared your old handle anywhere, it's a good idea to update it on your website, bio, business cards, and other social profiles too. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.